me. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul. He's the lily of the valley, in him alone I see all I need to cleanse and make me fully whole. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul. He all my grief has taken and all my sorrows borne. In temptation he's my strong and mighty tower. I have all for him forsaken and all my idols torn from my heart, and now he keeps me by his bar. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul. He will never, never leave me, nor yet forsake me here, while I live by faith and do his blessed will. There's a wall of fire about me, I've nothing now to fear. With his manna he my hungry soul shall fill. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul.